Welcome to the 2018 edition of the National Science and Math Quiz. This is the 21st 1A stage contest, and it features AGGREY Memorial Senior High School, SONRISE Senior High School, and KUMASI Senior High Technical School. Let's meet the contestants. AGGREY Memorial Senior High School. AGGREY Memorial Senior High School is represented by
Toby Shine Elite Film Final Year.
SCAD Rexford Final Year.
All right. You're welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you, madam.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
All right. You are at Cedar School.
Yes, madam.
What did the seniors tell you about last year?
They told us a lot of things, the experiences they went through, and they learned something from it, and we've also improved upon it.
You have?
Yes,
Okay, great. Before I come back to the contest, what do you gentlemen do when you are not doing science and math?
Now I watch movies.
Movies? What kind of movies?
Foreign movies, American ones.
Pardon?
Foreign movies, American ones.
American movies. Horror movies?
No, please.
Thriller?
Yes.
James Bond type?
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right. And you, what do you do?
Madam, I hang out with friends.
You do what?
I go out to have a period of relaxation.
Relaxation. Hey. So, you go to drinking sports and such? Or you are underage?
I'm underage.
You're underage, okay. All right. Now back to the contest. What are we to expect from you?
The best.
The best.
Yes,
okay.
madam.
Best wishes to you then.
Thank you, madam.
SONRISE Senior High School. SONRISE Senior High School is represented by
Abajivomaoli Final Year.
Akla Manuel on Fountain Final Year.
You're welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
You are doing great.
Wonderful. You are coming to us from the prelims.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, what happened there?
At the prelims, we met Brekum and Opokuwari, and we put in our best and were able to win.
You were able to win.
Yes.
So you are the SONRISE everybody is talking about. Have you been coming to the National Science and Math Quiz?
No, this is our first time.
Your first time? Wow. Okay, then you must tell us about your school.
SONRISE is located in the Volta region, when it's off the whole to Petwell Road. When we are close to the airport.
Near the airport,
Yes.
okay. Anything your school is known for?
Our school is the best private school in the Volta region, and also we produce a lot of professionals from our school.
I
So
see.
we are just here to make sure that everybody gets to know of our school, and
Yes.
also to make it.
Okay. What's your slogan?
Perseverance and success.
Your motto is?
Perseverance and success.
All right. Your people. They want you to say something in a way. Say it quickly and let me go. All right. They don't want to say it now. Okay. What are we to expect?
We are here to put in our best once again, and we hope that by the grace of God, we'll be able to come out victorious again.
Best wishes. Kumasi Senior High Technical School. Kumasi Senior High Technical School is represented by
Final.
And JJ George, final year.
You're welcome, gentlemen. How are you?
Yeah, fine, thank you.
Wonderful. Kumasi Senior High Technical School, you are coming from the prelims.
Yes, madam.
What happened there?
Madam, in the preliminaries, we lost to Islamic Senior High, Islamic Senior High School. And by the grace of God, we were part of the top 18 losing schools. That we are here.
And so you are here?
Yeah.
All right. When you are not doing science and math, what do you do?
I play football.
You play football?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you do?
I also play football.
You play football?
Yeah.
All right. Are you good players?
Yeah.
Yes.
You look like a striker. What position do you play?
I'm a midfielder.
Midfielder?
Yeah.
And you are the striker?
Yeah.
All right. Coming back to this contest, what shall we expect from you?
Nothing but victory.
Okay. Best wishes to you.
Thank you, madam.
Viewers, we've met the contestants. Everybody is looking for victory. Well, I'm also looking for victory. But before I sit down, I would like to acknowledge that the National Science and Math Quiz is sponsored by the Ghana Education Service through the Conference of Heads of Assisted Secondary Schools. We have support from GCB Bank, Accra College of Medicine, Medifem's Multi-Specialist Hospital and Fertility Center, Lancaster University, Ghana, Academic City College, West African Center for Cell Biology of Infectious Pathogens, WACBIP, Awake Purified Drinking Water, GTP, MFA Jewelry, and Hottie Makeup. The mentorship sessions are sponsored by Bond Savings and Loans and RMG Ghana, and SciTech Fair 2018 was sponsored by Goyle, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, and Talo Ghana Limited. Our media sponsors are City FM and Joy News. This is a primetime production. My name is Elsie Kaufman. I'm your quiz mistress. Contestants, the contest, as usual, comes to you in 5 rounds. The first round is a round for fundamental concepts. The questions are simple and direct, and I'm expecting simple and direct answers from you. If you answer your major question correctly, 3 points. If it's incorrectly answered, it becomes available to the 2 other schools. A school may ring and attempt an answer. If it's right, a bonus point. If it's incorrect, there's a penalty point. For questions that require calculations, you have 30 seconds in which to present your answer. If there are no calculations, you have 10 seconds to do so. All questions, all of them, are to be attempted once only. Best wishes to all 3 schools. I'm going to start with your AGGREY Memorial. And this first set of questions, 10 seconds. Name the key intermediate compound that links glycolysis to the Krebs cycle. Yes, Rexford.
Pyruvate.
That's incorrect. For bonus. The right answer is acetyl-CoA. Kumasi, what name is given to the sum of the chemical reactions that take place within each cell of a living organism, which results in the provision of energy for vital processes and for synthesizing new organic material? Emmanuel.
Metabolism.
You're right. Sunrise. What name is given to the membranous covering of the heart? Yes, Elom.
Cardiac membrane.
No, for bonus. Yes, which of you, Rexford?
Pericardium.
Yes. Next set, 30 seconds, and I have a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Factorize completely. That's a preamble. I hope you got it. All right. So, AGGREY Memorial. 5x squared plus xy minus 4y squared. Shine.
Madam, 5x minus 4 in 1 bracket multiplying x plus y.
Yes. Who was ringing? Kumasi Senior High Technical School, I'm giving you a stern warning. If you disturb us, next time, this is a warning, next time it's a deduction, 1 point. All right, your major question with the same preamble. 3x squared plus 4xy plus y squared. Yes, Emmanuel.
I'm having 2 brackets multiplying in 1 bracket x plus y multiplying another bracket 3x plus y.
All right. Sunrise. With the same preamble, 3x squared minus xy minus 2y squared. Yes, Elom.
Yes.
Mawuli.
The expression 3x plus 2y multiplying another expression x minus y.
Yes. Ten seconds with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Complete the following statement. That's a preamble. I hope you got it. All right. So, AGGREY Memorial. gas densities are directly proportional to blank. Yes, Shine?
The molar mass.
2 out of 3. I will tell you the reason in a bit. All right. Kumasi, with the same preamble, equal volumes of different gases contain blank. Yes, George?
Equal number of moles.
I'll give you one, and I'll tell you in a moment. With the same preamble, SONRISE, the ratio of the volume of gases consumed or produced in a chemical reaction blank. Yes, Elom?
Are always in a simple whole number ratio.
2. All right, so you people, AGGREY Memorial, gas densities are directly proportional to the molar masses at a given temperature and pressure. Not general like so. That's why you had to. And then, Kumasi, equal volumes of different gases contain the same number of particles, not necessarily moles, same number of particles at constant temperature and pressure. All right? And then you can imagine. Yours actually is a Gay-Lussac law, right? So the ratio of the volume of gases consumed or produced in a chemical reaction is equal to the ratio of simple whole numbers when temperature and pressure are constant. Gay-Lussac. All right, next set. 30 seconds with a preamble. Preamble to all schools. A simple harmonic oscillator of mass 0.25 kilogram has an amplitude of 20 centimeters. That's the preamble. I hope you got it. All right. AGGREY Memorial. What is the magnitude of the maximum acceleration of the oscillator when its angular frequency is 15 radians per second? Shine.
45 joules.
That's incorrect. For bonus. Which of you, please? Yes, Mauli.
45 meters per second squared.
Yes. Kumasi Senior High Technical. With the same preamble, what is the maximum kinetic energy of the oscillator when its angular frequency is 12 radians per second? Yes, Manuel.
Okay. I'm having 72 joules.
That's incorrect. For bonus, the right answer is 0.72 joules. With the same preamble, what is the maximum speed of the oscillator when its angular frequency is 13 radians per second? Yes, Mauli?
2.6 meters per second.
Yes. Next set, 10 seconds, and I have a preamble once again. Preamble. When I get to your school, I will mention an organism. Give the primary nitrogenous waste of the organism. I hope you got it. All right. So, AGGREY Memorial, birds. Yes, Shine?
Uric acid.
Yes. KUMASI Senior High Technical, bony fishes. Yes, George?
Ammonia.
Yes. Not available. SONRISE, reptiles. Yes, Elon.
Urea.
That's incorrect. Shine?
Uric acid.
Yes. "30 seconds preamble to all schools. Preamble. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB given, I hope you got your preamble. All right. A has coordinates -1, 2, and B has coordinates 3, -4. Shine.
3y minus 4x is equal to -12.
That's incorrect for a bonus. Which of you, Emmanuel?
I'm having 3y equals 2x minus 5.
Yes. Your major question with the same preamble. A has coordinates 3, 5, and B has coordinates 5, 3. Emmanuel.
Okay, I'm having the equation is y is equal to x plus 2.
That's incorrect. Mauli.
The equation is y equal to x.
Yes. Your major question with the same preamble. A has coordinates 2, -1, and B has coordinates 4, 1. Yes, Mauli?
Y equal to minus x plus 3.
Yes. Next set, 30 seconds. AGGREY Memorial. If the solubility of a given salt of molecular mass 60.0 is 0.090 mole per decimeter cubed at 30 degrees Celsius, what mass in grams of the salt is needed to prepare 350 centimeter cubed of a saturated solution of the salt? Please give your answer to 2 places of decimal. Shine.
0.19.
Go ahead.
0.19 grams.
That's incorrect. Yes, Mauli?
18.90 grams.
No. The right answer is 1.89 grams. Kumasi, the solubility of a crystalline compound in water is 48.0 gram per decimeter cubed at 30 degrees Celsius. If 400 centimeter cubed of a solution of the compound at 70 degrees Celsius contains 67.0 gram of the crystals, what mass of crystals will be deposited when the solution is cooled to 30 degrees Celsius? Please give your answer to one place of decimal. Emmanuel.
I'm having 47.5 grams.
That's incorrect. Yes, Mauli.
47.8 grams.
Yes. Your major question. To obtain a saturated solution of a compound, small quantities of the crystals of the compound were added to 250 centimeter cubed of water at 30 degrees Celsius, and the mixture shaken until all the crystals were dissolved. After adding 14.5 grams of the crystals, none would dissolve anymore. Calculate the solubility of the compound in mole per decimeter cubed if it has a molar mass of 70.0, and give your answer to 3 places of decimal. Mauli.
36.225 mole per DMQ.
That's incorrect. For bonus. The right answer is 0.829 mole per decimeter cubed. Last set of questions for the round, 30 seconds. And I have a preamble. Preamble to all schools. Please listen carefully. A mechanical wave propagating through a medium is described by the wave equation. Y is equal to A multiplied by sine of the expression, omega t plus kx plus pi over 4, where A is equal to 3.00 times 10 to the power negative 3 meters, omega is 5.00 pi radians per second, and K is equal to 20.0 pi per meter. Did you get the preamble? Again. A mechanical wave propagating through a medium is described by the wave equation. Y is equal to A multiplied by sine of the expression, omega t plus kx plus pi over 4, where A is equal to 3.00 times 10 to the power negative 3 meters, omega is 5.00 pi radians per second, and K is equal to 20.0 pi per meter. I hope you got to this time. All right. So, AGGREY Memorial. Find the wavelength of the wave. Which of you? Yes, Emmanuel.
0.1 meters. 0.1 meters.
I'm not giving that to you for a bonus. The right answer is 0.100 meters. With the same preamble, your major question. Find the velocity of the wave. Yes, Emmanuel?
I'm having 0.250 meters per second.
Okay, I'll give that to you. Sunrise. With the same preamble, find the initial phase at x is equal to 5.00 times 10 to the power negative 2 meters. Yes, Elom.
60 degrees.
That's incorrect. For a bonus. The right answer is 1.25 pi. And that's the end of the first round. All right, so there's been a contest. The first set of math questions. The first question that went to AGGREY Memorial They were to factorize completely, and the expression was 5x squared plus xy minus 4y squared. The right answer is the expression 5x minus 4y multiplying the expression x plus y. Someone is contesting that you said 5x minus 4, the y didn't appear, multiplied by x plus y. So we are going to listen. I heard the y.
When cleaning your vehicle by valeting, steaming, waxing, or polishing, make sure the engine is also sound. Servicing your vehicle with Gold synthetic oil and any quality Gold oil massages the engine, removes deposit, protects it from wear and tear for longer lasting performance, and makes your vehicle feel pampered. Made for diesel and super engines. Remember, after every 15,000 kilometers of enjoying your ride, service your engine with Gold synthetic oil.
Well, you're a champion. That's why I, Azuma Nelson, 3 times world boxing champion and a patriot, always choose Goil.
Ashene Pankasa. Goil, good energy.
Okay, the y didn't make it. No, not correct. At the end of the first round, AGGREY Memorial Senior High School has 7 points. SONRISE Senior High School has 13 points. Kumasi Senior High Technical School has 13 points. Round 2. This round is also known as the speed race. The questions in the round are directed to all 3 schools simultaneously. For an opportunity to answer a question, you must ring for it. May I hear your bell? AGGREY Memorial. Thank you. SONRISE. Thank you. KUMASI. Thank you. If you ring and answer correctly on the first attempt, 3 points. On the second attempt, 2 points. On the third attempt, 1 point. If you attempt to answer a question and you are unsuccessful, you lose a precious point. For questions that require calculations, you have a maximum of 30 seconds to present your answer. If there are no calculations, you have a maximum of 10 seconds. Best wishes, everyone. First set of questions, 30 seconds each. What is the energy in electron volts of a photon of wavelength 880 nanometers? The right answer is 1.4 electron volts. Next one. Find the refractive index of a wavelength of 1,150 nanometers for cesium iodide in which 1,150 nanometer light propagates at 1.71 times 10 raised to the power 8 meters per second. The right answer is 1.75. Next one. Determine the energy of a 2.0 times 10 to the power negative 16 kilogram particle in a frame of reference in which it's at rest. Yes, which of you? Emmanuel.
Okay. Madam, I'm having 18.0 times 10 to the power 10 joules.
That's incorrect. Who rang next? Yes, go ahead.
18.0 joules.
Okay. joules. Now you will stop, Emmanuel. You're going to stop there. I'm having business, okay? Go straight to the answer. Next set. 10 seconds. 10 seconds each. Under which condition will one recommend a test cross? Which of you? Yes, Emmanuel.
Okay. When you want to find the phenotype and the genotype of a parent.
No. Who rang next? Yes, Elom.
To confirm the genotype of a character, whether it is homozygous or heterozygous.
Okay, go ahead. Next one. Which part of the plant is best suited for making virus-free plants? The right answer is the meristem. Next one. What is the ecological principle behind the biological control method of managing insect pests? The right answer is predation. Gentlemen, this is not feeling like a speed race. Next set, 30 seconds each. Find the value of x if 3 consecutive terms of a linear sequence are 2x plus 2, x, and 3x minus 5. Which of you, Emmanuel?
X equal to 1.
Yes. Use parentheses or brackets such that the sum is correct. 2 plus 5 minus 2 squared plus 10 is equal to negative 7. Emmanuel?
Okay. Into one bracket, 2 plus 5 minus, and into another bracket, 2 squared plus 10.
Okay. All right. Next one. Given f of x is equal to 2x minus 3, and g of x is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 2, find g of f of 3. Yes, Ilom.
2.
Yes. Next one, 30 seconds. A reaction between A and B to form C is first order with respect to A and also with respect to B. Calculate the rate constant of the reaction at 40 degrees Celsius if the rate is 4.20 times 10 to the power negative 5 mole per decimeter cubed second, when the concentration of A is 0.010 mole per decimeter cubed, and that of B is 0.020 mole per decimeter cubed. Yes.
I'm having 2.10 times 10 to the power negative 1 per mole dm cube per second.
Yes. Seconds. If the half-life of a first-order reaction is 5.0 minutes, calculate the rate constant of the reaction and give its units. Yes, Emmanuel.
I'm having 0.1386 per minute.
That's incorrect. Rexford.
Madam, I'm having 3.
Go.
I'm having 3.33 times 10
No,
raised to the power.
no, you are not having it. Did they ring? Yes, Elom.
2.310 times 10 exponent negative 2 per second.
Ah, close, but no. The right answer is 2.31 times 10 to the power negative 3 per second, not negative 2. Last question, 10 seconds. 10 seconds. The collision theory defines activation energy. State the collision theory. Which of you? Yes, go ahead, Elom.
The collision theory states that chemical reactions result as a result of the collision between gas molecules, and the collision must generate the threshold energy before the before chemical reaction can occur, and this energy is called the activation energy. That's activation energy is the energy required by the reactants to form products.
I can't give it. This is a speed race. Who rang next? Yes, Rexford.
The collision theory states that for reaction to occur, the reacting molecules must collide and produce an energy greater than the activation energy. So the effective collision, the part of the reacting molecules needed to produce this energy is called the effective collision. So they produce this energy which overcomes the activation energy.
Kumasi doesn't want it. Okay. So let me repeat the question, which I didn't even finish reading. So the collision theory defines activation energy. State the collision theory and define activation energy. Okay, so the collision theory states that in order for a reaction to occur, reactant molecules must collide with energy greater than some minimum value and with proper orientation. That's the part that was missing from all of the talking. With proper orientation. Then the activation energy is the minimum energy that a collision needs to have in order to make the molecules react. That's the end of the second round. He wants to know whether it is.
There's always that one individual so selfless and caring. The world still has caring people. Getting unexpected help is a joy for us. That's why at Prudential Life, we've introduced Ultimate, the no-lapse guarantee on your Premier and Classic farewell plans. The biggest challenge for most clients having a funeral policy is the fact that when they are unable to pay premiums due to financial challenges, the policies elapse and the full benefit falls off. We have introduced the no-lapse guarantee on our funeral plans. This ensures that you don't lose your full benefit during challenging financial moments. Prudential, always listening. Always at.
When cleaning your vehicle by valeting, steaming, waxing, or polishing, make sure the engine is also sound. Servicing your vehicle with Gold synthetic oil and any quality Gold oil massages the engine, removes deposit, protects it from wear and tear for longer lasting performance, and makes your vehicle feel pampered. Made for diesel and super engines. Remember, after every 15,000 kilometers of enjoying your ride, service your engine with Gold synthetic oil.
Goal is champion. That's why I, Azuma Nelson, 3 times world boxing champion and a patriot, always choose Goal.
Ashwini Pankasa. Goil, good energy.
At the end of the second round, AGGREY Memorial Senior High School has 7 points. SONRISE Senior High School has 16 points. KUMASI Senior High Technical School has 19 points. Now, KUMASI Senior High Technical School would like to effect a substitution. We have to say goodbye to you, George. It's been a pleasure. And Kingsley Edu Dakun is coming on. Kingsley. Where is Kingsley? You're welcome, Kingsley.
Thank you, madam.
Round 3. This round has the problem of the day. The problem of the day is a single question to all 3 schools. From the time I ask you to begin, you have 3 minutes to compose an answer to the problem of the day. The problem of the day is worth 10 points. Please put your pens down. Let's turn over our sheets and read the problem of the day together. Problem of the day. Given that d squared y dx squared is equal to 12x squared minus 6x plus 8, and dy dx is equal to 5, and y is equal to 5 when x is equal to 1, find an expression for y in terms of x. Contestants, this is your problem of the day. You may begin now. Please stop writing and present your answers. Where is your school name? Thank you. Ready. Contestants, please pick up your notepad and present your answers on the board as you have them here. That's yours. Sunrise, don't create an impression that everything is clear. The mess you have there, let it reflect. Camera, you looking at this? This is a problem in mathematics. So we are given d squared y dx squared is equal to 12x squared minus 6x plus 8, and dy dx is equal to 5, and y is equal to 5 when x is equal to 1. Contestants were to find an expression for y in terms of x. All right, so let's start with d squared y dx squared. If we want to get dy dx from that, we have to integrate it. So dy dx is equal to integral of 12x squared minus 6x plus 8 dx. 1 point. If you actually go through with the integration, you should get 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 8x plus a constant of integration. We are calling it a. If you get this far, 2 more points. Now, if we want to get y, we need to take this expression for dy dx and integrate it again. We integrate this expression to get y. So integral of 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 8x plus a dx. 1 point. If you go through with the integration, you should get x to the power 4 minus x cubed plus 4x squared plus ax plus b. That's a second constant of integration. Now we actually have an expression for y in terms of x. By the way, forgetting this far is 2 more points. We have an expression, just that it has 2 constants we don't know. So we need to figure those out by using the information that was given. So we know that for x equals 1, dy dx is equal to 5. So we can substitute. If we substitute, we get 5 is equal to 4 minus 3 plus 8 plus a. So now we have figured out a. A is negative 4, 1 point. Then we continue. For x equals 1, y is equal to 5. So this is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 4 plus a plus b is equal to 4. And then because we found a to be negative 4, we substitute this time. So we have 4 minus 4 plus 6. No, plus b. Sorry, the constant b, plus b. So we can now quickly solve for b and get b is equal to 5. 1 more point. Now we have everything we need. We know a, we know b, we know the rest. So we simply substitute them to get our final answer. The final answer is y is equal to x to the power 4 minus x cubed plus 4x squared minus 4x plus 5. 2 points for the final answer, giving a total of 10 points. Now, contestants, Sunrise. To be honest, what they have written there is a lot tidier than what they presented me. This is what I had. And because you were so untidy with your work, you misplaced or you mixed up a 4 and a 5. So everything was right, but because it's just so messy that you yourself, if you are getting confused, should I be the one to know what you are doing? So at the end of the day, your final answer is incorrect. Instead of a minus 4x, you have minus 5x, because you've been canceling and doing all sorts of things for 4 and 5 throughout. And so you don't get the final 2 points. That leaves you with 8 out of 10. Okay, so Kumasi Senior High Technical School and AGGREY Memorial, you decided to actually substitute and get your constants as you went along. It's still the same thing. And so I am happy to award perfect scores. Well done. You seem to like our math problems of the day, huh? All right. That's the end of the problem of the day and the end of round 3. You may pick up your notepads. 4. In this round, I'm going to be presenting you with statements. When you receive a statement, please consider the statement carefully and let me know whether it's true or false. If you are right, 2 points. If you are incorrect, you lose a precious point. You may choose not to respond, in which case that statement will become available to the 2 other schools. A school may ring and attempt an answer. If the answer is right, 4 points. If the answer is incorrect, there's a penalty. Best wishes, everyone. This time, I'm starting with you, Kumasi. Your statement. An object in free fall moves freely. Raise your hand. Kingsley.
True.
No, that's a false statement. The moon is in free fall towards Earth. Yes, Mauli?
False.
No, that's a true statement. The trajectory of an object in free fall is a conic section. Yes, Shine?
False.
No, that's a true statement. The people making those statements, do you think you can do this? Next set. I have a preamble to all schools. Indicate whether the following statements about transport or conduction of substances in plants are true or false. Please, did you get the preamble? All right. So, Kumasi, organic food moves up through xylem. Kingsley?
False.
Yes. Inorganic food moves upwardly and downwardly through the xylem. Yes, Alom?
False.
Yes. Organic food moves upwardly and downwardly through the phloem. Shine?
True.
Yes. Every quadratic function is an even function. Emmanuel?
It's false.
Yes. Every cubic function is an odd function. Elom?
It's true.
No, that's a false statement. The function y is equal to 3x squared plus 2 is an even function. Shine?
False.
No, it's a true statement. The main source of CO2 in the atmosphere is the burning of petroleum fuels. Kingsley?
True.
No, it's a false statement. Bushfires are also a major source. All right. CO2 constitutes about 99% of the greenhouse gases. Yes, Elom?
It's true.
No. The major components are methane and steam. The major outcome of the greenhouse effect caused by CO2 and other gases is the disappearance of trees in our forests. Shine?
False.
Yes. The period of a simple pendulum comprising a bob at the end of a string does not depend on the mass of the bob. Kingsley?
True.
Yes. The period of a simple pendulum comprising a bob at the end of a string depends on the initial angular displacement of the string. Yes, Mauli. Yes. Two simple pendula of different lengths can never have the same period. Yes, Shine?
True.
No, that's a false statement. Preamble. Indicate whether the following statements about symbiosis are true or false. Kumasi, the symbionts must be living. Kingsley?
False.
No, that's a true statement. The association may involve two plants. Yes, Alom?
It's true.
Yes. Symbionts derive mutual benefit. Shine?
False.
Yes. The base angles of an inscribed trapezium are congruent. Emmanuel?
It's true.
Yes. A parallelogram inscribed in a circle is a rectangle. Yes, Alom?
It's true.
Yes. A kite inscribed in a circle is a rhombus. Is your hand up, Shine? Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Last set of statements. Toluene is partly aromatic and partly aliphatic. Yes, Emmanuel?
It's true.
Yes. Propanone will give a positive test with Fairlein's reagent. Elom?
False.
Yes. Last statement. 3-methyl-2-butanol can be oxidized to give an alkanone. Yes, Shine?
False. False.
No, that's a true statement. And that's the end of the fourth round. At the end of the fourth round, AGGREY Memorial Senior High School has 21 points. SONRISE Senior High School has 31 points. KUMASI Senior High Technical School has 36 points. Fifth and final round. In this round, I'm going to be reading out clues. Your objective is to solve the riddle. In order to attempt to solve the riddle, you must ring for it. May I hear your bell? AGGREY Memorial. Thank you. Yours, SONRISE. Thank you. Yours, KUMASI Senior High Technical. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. On the second clue, 4 points. On the third or any clue thereafter, 3 points. There are 4 riddles in all. Best wishes, everyone. First one. I am a process named after a famous pioneer microbiologist. I'm used widely in the dairy industry. Yes, Rexford.
Pasteurization.
Yes. The rest of the clues. Or let me finish this clue I was on. I'm used widely in the dairy industry and other food processing industries to achieve food preservation and food safety. Unlike sterilization, I'm not intended to kill all microorganisms in the food. Instead, I aim to reduce the number of viable pathogens so they are unlikely to cause disease. I was invented by French scientist Louis Pasteur during the 19th century. I am the process that kills microbes, mainly bacteria in food and drink, such as milk, juice, canned food, and others. I'm the reason for milk's extended shelf life. And of course, the answer is pasteurization. I was reading the second clue, 4 points. Next one. I am an experiment that demonstrated quantization in nature. Okay, which of you? Yes, Elom.
Franken's experiment.
No, it's not. I continue. Experiments had already showed quantization of charge and energy. Yes, Emmanuel.
Millikan's oil drop experiment.
No, it's not. Experiments had already showed quantization of charge and energy when I was performed for the first time. I was first performed with silver atoms. An essential part of my setup was an inhomogeneous magnetic field. I was the first experiment that demonstrated quantization of angular momentum and gave evidence for the electron spin. So who am I? Yes, which of you? Rexford.
Angular momentum experiment.
Which experiment? Rexford, what was that? Rexford, what was it? I didn't hear, honestly. Okay, gentleman in red back there. Now you're hiding. Which experiment was that? Anyone? No one? It's the Stern-Gerlach experiment. Next one. I am a binary compound with diatomic molecules. My atoms are derived from the elements located almost at the extreme ends of the periodic table. Each element of mine has something unique, either in terms of mass or electronegativity. At room temperature in Ghana, I am gaseous, but I condense at about 20 degrees Celsius to give a colorless liquid. Even in the gaseous state, I exist in the associator form, in which my molecules are held by very strong hydrogen bonds. One of my atoms has the lowest possible atomic number. Yes, Mauli. Yes. Mauli. All right, so the last bit of it was one of my atoms has the lowest possible atomic number and the other has the highest possible electronegativity. And of course, yes, it's hydrogen fluoride, or I would have accepted gaseous HF. That was also fine. And I was reading the last clue, 3 points, last riddle. I am a point on a curve. I am a turning point. Emmanuel.
Point of inflection.
Yes. All right, the rest of the clues. At me, the curve has a stationary tangent. You will not find me on a quadratic curve. The second derivative vanishes at me. At me, the curve changes from being concave up to concave down, or vice versa. So those were the clues, and of course the answer is point of inflection. They solved the riddle on the second clue, 4 points. And that's the end of the 5th round.
I can conveniently pay for my utility bills, my son's Cartoon Network on DSTV, and renew my internet services package. I can securely send my sweet mother her monthly allowance by simply transferring funds from my bond account into hers. I can also pay the gardener through any of the mobile money platforms available. I can verify if the check to the vendor has cleared. Now let me guess my sister is here at time so I can peacefully go back to sleep. With Bond Mobile app, you can do your banking anywhere. Download the Bond Mobile app on Apple Play Store or Google Play Store today. Bond, your success, our passion.
At the end of the contest, here are the final scores. AGGREY Memorial Senior High School has 25 points. SONRISE Senior High School has 34 points. Kumasi Senior High Technical School has 40 points. AGGREY Memorial Senior High School, thank you for being here. Best wishes to you. SONRISE Senior High School, thank you for being here, for giving us a good contest. We have to say goodbye. Best wishes. Kumasi Senior High Technical School. Congratulations on winning the contest. Please prepare, and I look forward to seeing you in the quarterfinals. Well done. Viewers, thank you for joining us for this contest. Next time, we will bring you Takrady Senior High School, St. Margaret Mary Senior High School, and Laboni Senior High School. Before we leave, I would like to acknowledge that the National Science and Math Quiz is sponsored by the Ghana Education Service through the Conference of Heads of Assisted Secondary Schools. We have support from GCB Bank, Accra College of Medicine, Medifem Multi-Specialist Hospital and Fertility Center, Lancaster University, Ghana, Academic City College, West African Center for Cell Biology of Infectious Pathogens, WACBIB, Awake Purified Drinking Water, GTP, mp4 Jewelry, and Hoti Makeup. The mentorship sessions are sponsored by Bond Savings and Loans and RMG Ghana, and SciTech Fair 2018 was sponsored by Goyle Prudential Life Insurance Ghana and Talo Ghana Limited. Our media sponsors are City FM and Joy News. This is a primetime production. Thank you once again for joining us, and see you next time. Bye.
I can conveniently pay for my utility bills, my son's Cartoon Network on DSTV, and renew my internet services package. I can securely send my sweet mother her monthly allowance by simply transferring funds from my bond account into hers. I can also pay the gardener through any of the mobile money platforms available. I can verify if the check to the vendor has cleared. Now let me guess my sister is here at time so I can peacefully go back to sleep. With Bond Mobile app, you can do your banking anywhere. Download the Bond mobile app on Apple Play Store or Google Play Store today. Bond, your success, our passion.
When cleaning your vehicle by valeting, steaming, waxing, or polishing, make sure the engine is also sound. Servicing your vehicle with Gold synthetic oil and any quality Gold oil massages the engine, removes deposit, protects it from wear and tear for longer lasting performance, and makes your vehicle feel pampered. Made for diesel and super engines. Remember, after every 15,000 kilometers of enjoying your ride, service your engine with Gold synthetic oil.
Well, you're a champion. That's why I, Azuma Nelson, 3 times world boxing champion and a patriot, always choose Goyle.
Ashwini Pankasa. Goyle, good energy.
There's always that one individual so selfless and caring. The world still has caring people. Getting unexpected help is a joy for us. That's why at Prudential Life, we've introduced Ultimate, the no-lapse guarantee on your Premier and Classic farewell plans. The biggest challenge for most clients having a funeral policy is the fact that when they are unable to pay premiums due to financial challenges, the policies elapse and the full benefit falls off. We have introduced the no-lapse guarantee on our funeral plans. This ensures that you don't lose your full benefit during challenging financial moments. Prudential, always listening, always understanding.